Hey fish, welcome to the How-To channel. That's been that way for quite a long time. I do things the unconventional way. If you're new to the channel and didn't know that, watch some old videos and you'll find out. So I have here is the support. I feel the support is old. It needs to be replaced. It's been since day one of the house. And I need to get rid of this, but I'm not going to get rid of it right away. So what I'm going to do is cut it off right here. I'll take the magic marker, I'll get it off right about there. And how am I going to do that? With the tools I don't have, and I got concrete, cinder blocks, and so forth. I'm going to take a saw, do my best. Follow along. This may be a part 1, part 2, part 100 video, whatever. I don't want to make it too long for you. So let's get going. I got this shorty crossbar. I don't need it. I made my mark. I'm going to start the cut. Yeah, we do things one-handedly here. Think that's good enough? I could do this. That wood, it's day one of the house. 75 plus years old. It's so dried out, not funny. Up there, I got a piece of wood that goes that way, and I got a piece of wood that goes that way. What I need to do is just take a 2x4, and I want to measure along where it's going to fall, or where I'm going to mark for loxins, they're called, anchors. We call these loxins, right here. And they're going to fit right there. They're 3/8. They should be good enough. I don't want to go through the brick, but if I have to, I will. Cinder block, you don't want to go through. Oh, I could take a string. I could basically, I put a mark here, here. So I got a hammer. Not a big deal. I'm going to just lay one hammer down. I'm going to take the other hammer. And I'm going to just simply do the same thing. I don't need to drill every other. I just need to put one on top, maybe one over here, and one down below. And I'll maybe do 4 and have to go buy more loxin anchors. I'll be good to go. But you can see what I did. Put the 2 hammers. I'm just about level. Let's go get drilling. I don't need the hammers anymore, so I can get rid of them. But what I do need is to do one of these. Take this hammer, wrap it around. And when I do that, hopefully all this preparing, I could get my wood up where I need to be at. So I got all my bolts where I need to be at. And how am I going to support the ceiling? Well, I'm going to put it up with L brackets. And that'll give me my support. And then I'm going to put some pieces of wood like so. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. And I got part of it done, some preparation. I don't have a good hammer drill. I no longer have a circular saw, but I got a table saw. I do have to get some measurements so I can get this cut up, and it has to be almost precise. Oh, it's about 8 feet for sure. So I'm going to have to take my measurements. "86 inches, right there." Oh, I'm going to be cutting for a number of minutes. I made a bad mistake, but it's a good mistake because I could have used just a couple more, and I could always take the extra piece and give it a little push. But I need 96 inches to the ceiling. The 86 inches will give me right here the support I need to hold the things up while I can shift it around. And that's why you got just a little play. And that little play gets fixed with the piece of wood on top, like so. Make sure you get the little notches off that you don't hurt yourself. And you put a couple of nails into it and so forth. So, take your time, get the job right. I still need to go buy another 8-foot board. Well, I'm done for this episode. I didn't even get that far. Yes, I did. I got preparation done. I prepared a little support. And now I got to get a piece up here. And when that support's up there, then I can start to make my measurements for the holes in the wall. Oh yeah, I could take measurements and all that. I want to put it right to the side and draw my lines and get my angles correctly there. So on that note, off to the store I go, and to continue on down the road. Hope you enjoyed this short, unconventional how-to video. Oh yeah, I like making videos, but you don't like showing. Hey, have a great day. I'm Fish, and catch you on many other videos to come.